নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম HLC ইংলিছ চেপ্টাৰ 1 এ লেটাৰ টু গড হবাটোতকৈ গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন এণ্ড আনসাৰ আৰু লগতে আলোচনা কৰিম এক্সট্ৰা কোৱেশ্চন এণ্ড আনসাৰ এই প্ৰশ্নবোৰ প্ৰায়ে আগৰ পৰীক্ষাত বহুবাৰ অহা দেখা পোৱা গৈছে যদি আপুনি এইবোৰ প্ৰশ্ন ভালদৰে নিৰীক্ষণ কৰে তেন্তে নিশ্চয় আপোনাৰ এক্সামত ভাল মাৰ্কছ আনিব পাৰিব তেনেহলে আহা সময় নষ্ট নকৰাকৈ আমি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ এ লিটিল টু গড most expected question and answer question number 1 what did the Lisho hope for answer Lisho hoped for a god rain so that his crop will give a good harvest. Question number 2. Why did Lisho become angry after the first rain? Answer. Lisho became angry because a hailstorm destroyed his entire crop. Question number 3. Why did Lisho write a letter to God? Answer. Lisho write a letter to God to ask for money so that he could sow his field again. Question number 4. How much money did Lisho ask for God? Answer. Lisho asked for God to send him 100 pieces. Question number 5. What did the postmaster do after reading Lisho's letter? Answer. The postmaster collected money from his employees and sent it to Lisho in the name of God. Extra question and answer. A little to God. Question number 1. Who is the writer of the story A Little to God? Answer. The story is written by Garcias Lopez de Fuentes. Question number 2. Where did Lisho live? Answer. Lisho lived in a small house on the top of a hill. Question number 3. What crop did Lisho grow in his field? Answer. Lisho grow crop is. Question number 3. What crop did Lisho grow in his field? Answer. Lisho grow corn in his field. Question number 4. What was Lisho only hope? Answer. His only hope was a good rainfall for his crop. Question number 5. What happened after the rain started? Answer. A hailstorm came and destroyed Lisho's entire crop. Question number 6. Why did Lisho become sad? Answer. He became sad because his field was completely destroyed. Question number 7. To whom did Lisho write a letter? Answer. Lisho write a letter to God. Question number 8. How much money did Lisho ask for? Answer. He asked God for 100 poses. Question number 9. What did the postmaster do after reading Lisho's letter? Answer. The postmaster collect money from his employee to help Lisho. Question number 10. How much money did the post office send to Lisho? Answer. They sent 70 poses to Lisho. Question number 11. How did Lisho feel after receiving the money? Answer. He was not satisfied because the amount was less than he had asked for. Question number 12. Why did Lisho not doubt God? Answer. He had deep faith in God and believed that God could not make mistake. Question number 13. Whom did Lisho suspect for the missing money? Answer. Lisho suspected the post office employees. Question number 14. What did Lisho call the post office employees? Answer. He called them a bunch of crooks. Question number 15. What qualities of Lisho are shown in the story? Answer. Lisho fled, simplicity, and encourage are shown. Question number 16. What is the irony in the story? Answer. Lisho thought God sent him money, but he suspected the honest post office employees. Question number 17. What is the setting of the story? Answer. The story is set in rural countryside in a small house on hill. Question number 18. What moral do we learn from the story? Answer. The story teaches us to have faith, but also not to lose trust in fellow humans. Question number 19. Why is the story called a letter to God? Answer. Because the central incident is Lisho's letter written to God asking for help. Question number 20. What kind of story is this? Answer. It is a humorous yet touching story about faith and human kindness. ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি তোমালোকে শিকিলা চেপ্টাৰ 1 এ লেটাৰ টু গড, most important question and answer আৰু লগতে এক্সট্ৰা question and answer. আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকৰ বাবে এই ভিডিঅ'টো অতি সহায়ক হ'ব। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে তেন্তে লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। পৰৱৰ্তী ভিডিঅ'ত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম আকৌ এটা নতুন চেপ্টাৰ, যিটো চেপ্টাৰ নাম হৈছে নেলছন মেণ্ডেলা লং ৱৰ্ক টু ফ্ৰীডম। তাৰ ওপৰত গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্ন আৰু উত্তৰসমূহ এক্সামৰ বাবে তোমালোকলৈ আন্তৰিক শুভেচ্ছা যাচিলোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।